Do you know how to work with exponents? Well, stay and see. We have 2 times n to the 10th power times n to the 2nd power multiplied by negative 7 n to the 9th power n to the 5th. Anyway, you can see it yourself. I'm not reading all of that. First thing I'm going to do is open the parentheses. How do I open parentheses? I'm going to raise negative 7 to the 2nd power. And then the powers like 9 and 5 get multiplied by 2 because that is the power rule. And then everything else that is in the parentheses, another one, we will be multiplying by the power of 4. Look, here I have negative 1 to the 4th power. Why is there a negative 1 if you don't see a negative 1? There is a negative. If there is no coefficient, coefficient is 1. If coefficient is negative, and you do not see a coefficient, then coefficient is negative 1. So negative 1 to the 4th power is just going to be 1. And the negative that stays in front of the parenthesis stays there because it doesn't go away. Okay, now I'm going to simplify when I multiply. What happens when you multiply? The powers get added. So I have 98 m to the 28th power times n to the 12th power minus m to the 28th times n to the 12th. You may get confused right now because when you add or subtract those powers, it gets a little bit confusing. People start making up their own rules. But listen, if the base is the same, if the power is the same, all you do is work with the coefficients. So you work with 98 and negative 1. So what is 98 minus 1 is going to be 97. Again, if you do not see negative 1, but you see a negative, it means negative 1, because if there is no coefficient, coefficient is either 1 or negative 1. But for negative, you need to have minus. And again, because you're subtracting, powers do not move. You only work with coefficients. What you started with in terms of the variable and what you ended with is going to be to the same power. The only thing that is going to move or change are the coefficients. So our final answer is 97 m to the 28th times n to the 12th. And follow for more math tutorials.